Okay, I'm going to replace the rear brakes, pads and discs on the Z4, and because I like to do everything so fast, or try to, I'm going to time myself just to see how long it actually takes to do this job. So here we go. That is the time. And once I've finished the job, I'm going to compare how much it's cost and how long it's taken to a car dealer, and let's see if it's been worthwhile. Don't worry, I've got new tyres coming. Oh, too much drifting. Brake pads aren't too bad actually, but I'll change them anyway because I'm changing the discs. Whoa! Didn't expect that to come out. So the current problem I've got is on the inside here there'll be a brake drum, which is the handbrake, and that's kind of getting caught when I'm trying to pull it off. So it's not wanting to come off. What I've got to do is press that through there and then spin it. I need two hands though, so you can't see that. Old bolts, new bolts. I bought these new ones a little while ago because there's so much rust on the old ones and they weren't expensive, so I thought it'd make the car look nice. Let's check the time. Half an hour, I think. Not bad. Let's do the other one now. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Not bad. Wonder how much the dealer would charge for an hour's labour, or even would they do more than 1 hour? We'll see. Hi, could you put me through to service, please?
My name is Will. Can I start by taking your name and registration, please? Should take about a moment. And it's just the rear pads and discs.
Yeah.
It's just loading. Rear pads and discs, parts, labor, and VAT, and this can be split over 3 interest-free months. Total price is £307.29.
There you have it. I've saved £200. The cost of the discs and the pads from Eurocar Parts were £107. The dealer, as you've just heard, are going to charge £307. So I would save myself £200. That's how good I am at maths. And not only that, I probably did a lot quicker than a dealer would do it, or at least the time it's taken me to do that job. It may take you a little bit longer, but all the tools are really, really basic. 3 or 4 tools, job done. So recommend trying it yourself.